So I have been getting a lot of questions on how I have been trying to rank my videos, trying to make sure that it's actually being searchable. If this is what has actually been going through your mind concerning my videos, whenever I talked about ranking, because I know I posted a post on Twitter sometime before, then this video is actually for you, so stick around. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa Mwabia, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the 4 ways I ranked my videos, or how I've actually been ranking my videos. So first of all, I have to confess that these are ways that you can actually rank your videos, and a lot of us don't really know about this because we've not been enlightened about it. And these ways actually help your videos to be searchable. When somebody looks for your videos, they actually see it. So the first tip I'm going to give you before I go into any of these ways I rank my video is this: make sure that your videos are searchable. Your video titles have to be searchable. If you watch the previous video where I talked about how to vlog, I said prepare your topic. Preparing your topic enables you to create titles that can actually be searchable. When somebody finds such a video, like they want to make fried rice, they may be like how to make Chinese fried rice, how to make Indian fried rice. They can actually pack all this in their keywords, thereby expanding their videos to be searchable. You don't just come and just drop any title anyhow. You must make sure that that video title is very, very, very much relatable. That is the second aspect that you must take note of. It must be searchable and it must also be relatable. These two things actually help a lot because it enables your videos to move to the right audience, so that the algorithm can also help you to move it to the person who may actually need this video. Now, the first tip I'm going to be sharing with you on how I managed to rank my videos is this: putting the right keywords in your tag. Now, a lot of us may not understand or may not know where to locate the tag. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen for you to see where you can locate the tag. Where I mostly locate my tags are actually on YouTube Studio, because hey, we're on YouTube, so it's actually on YouTube that we do all these things. So I go to the YouTube tag place and then I put the tags that are actually relatable to my video, so that it's actually easy for the person who is looking for my video to actually see it. Say for instance, when I made my NYSC videos, I went to the tag and I put things like NYSC camp, NYSC orientation camp. And don't also forget that whenever you are putting your words in the tag place, make sure that you put the comma so that it actually separates the word, so you don't just congest them and make them one word. Imagine putting NYSC camp, NYSC orientation camp, NYSC Kano, and then you put the comma. It's going to be jam-packed and it won't make any sense. So once you put one keyword or a tag, you put the comma and then it separates it. You put another one, you put the comma and it separates it. So yes, that is what you should actually take note of. The second way I actually put my tag is also by using the VidIQ part. I actually go to the VidIQ part. I'm going to leave it on the screen for you to see. I go to the tag part of the VidIQ editing place, and then I go and put the tag that I feel that is good. Why I actually use VidIQ too is because they enable me to see how that particular keyword ranks. Now, there's sometimes you may see keywords and then you see 50, you see 60, you see 80. When you see 23, you can't use that kind of word. When you see 24, when you see 30, when you see 40, I won't really advise that kind of words to be used. I won't really advise you to use those kind of words. I would advise you to use words from 55 to above, something like that. So those are the ways that I actually put my tags. Either I use the YouTube Studio or I use the VidIQ to actually place my tags, and I place the keywords, the right keywords that will enable you to actually see those videos, so that you can actually just know that, okay, I'm looking for this video, and then the keyword will just pick it up and be like, okay, this is actually under this category, so why don't I just, that's how algorithm actually favors people. Sometimes when you may be like, oh, I didn't really plan for this video, but you put the right keywords, and then because of that, it's actually pushing your video to the right audience. The second way I also rank my video is by putting the right keyword in the keyword box. Now, sometimes you could ask yourself, where can I get this keyword box? Where can I see it? When you go to studio.youtube.com, which is actually the desktop part of YouTube Studio, you actually get to see that star something. We already know what the setting sign looks like. It's like a circular, circular something, circular icon, and then you go there, you click, and then you go to where keyboard is. So I'm going to leave it on the screen using my second channel as a demo for you to see what the keyword option or the keyword box looks like. And then when you go there, you put in the right keywords that that are associated with your channel. That is the only way that you can actually push your channel to the right audience too. That way, whenever you post any video that is related to something that you have actually put in the keyword, the algorithm favors you and actually helps to push the video to the right person that may need that kind of video. It's just like, oh, you're looking for this video, okay, see it here, just take it, and then that is it. And make sure that you put the right keyword. Okay, take for instance, you run a cooking channel and you deal on food, you deal with you may still make cocktail recipes and all that. What you can put in your keyword are recipes, food, cooking channel, cooking vlog, things like that. Those are associated with cooking channels, and it's very, very easy. And maybe you deal mostly on fried rice, you can actually say fried rice recipes. So these are actually ways that you can actually push your videos to the right person. Probably somebody may be looking for fried rice recipes. The person will actually find your video because it is actually easy for the person to get such videos because of the keyword that you put there. The third way I actually ranked my video, or the third way that I know that really, really ranked my video, was by putting the right keyword in my description box. A lot of you may be like, description box? Have you tried ever searching for a video? Like, there was a time I was actually searching for my video on someone's laptop, and then I was like, okay, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, but I wouldn't give you my channel name for you to search. You have to search it with this particular name. So what I did was that I typed Owerri. And when I typed Owerri, I noticed that people who wrote Owerri in their description box, that is from the first to the fourth line, their videos were popping up. That way, their videos were already very, very visible. Putting the right word in your description box helps you a lot, especially when you are ranking your videos in the search box, especially when you are searching for videos. That way, whenever someone is searching for your video and they actually put some of the words that are actually in your description box, it will actually show. The first to fourth line are very, very important. That is why I do not use my VidIQ to play. Whenever I want to edit my videos, I actually use the VidIQ description box. I use the VidIQ tag, and I also use the VidIQ keyword. But what we are talking about here is actually the description box. Whenever I go to the description box, what I make sure to do is that I have already gone to the search place and have figured out that these words that are very, very mighty are the words that I'm going to place in my description box. That is from the first to the fourth line. It is very, very important. Whenever you do these kind of things, it helps you to push your videos. When somebody searches for you, it is very, very easy to find you. Most people don't really take this to notice, but I'm sure that you will actually take note with this video. So if you're finding this video very helpful, I would suggest that you actually subscribe to this channel and also click the like button because you want to get more from this channel. Now, the fourth way I rank my video is by sending the keywords to family and friends or anybody that wants to watch my videos. I send keywords to them instead of sending links. A lot of us make that mistake. Except maybe you are running maybe a WhatsApp broadcast list, I can understand. But if you are actually sending your videos to somebody to watch, I would advise to use keyword. Remember when I said a few minutes ago that when I wanted somebody to watch one of my videos, I typed Owerri in the person's laptop and my video popped up. Though my video wasn't really ranking at that time because I hadn't really learned that this is the way you rank your videos. But now this is actually very, very good. If I want you to watch my videos, what I usually tell you to do is this. Oh, go and check this. Check Life in Owerri, check NYSC Kano, check this, check that. And instead of me just sending you the link and then you just watch and then you help to decrease my click-through rate. Your CTR is very, very important. Your CTR and impression work hand in hand a little bit, but most people don't really know that. So whenever you are sending your videos to anyone, make sure that you send the keyword. You can actually send the keyword and also send the screenshot of the video title. So it's actually easy for the person to know that, okay, if I go to this keyword, I will see this video, I will see this picture, I will see this thumbnail. You understand? So these are ways that I actually ranked my video, and I hope somebody found this video very helpful. If you really found this video very helpful, please leave a comment and let me know what you found very helpful. If you also found anything interesting that you want to share with the audience, please feel free to send such comments so that we can actually get enlightened, because hey, we learn every day. So till we meet next, I will see you in my next video. Bye.